There were also briefs filed in two cases involving gay marriage this week. First, what's the significance of the brief filed by the White House in opposition to California's Proposition 8, Lisa?
Well, the White House filed a brief saying that they supported overturning Proposition 8. And this is a big step. The White House has come out. The president you said he evolved on gay marriage. He's come out in favor of it. But now they're really taking it the next step and saying that they would like to overturn laws prohibiting it.
But they did not argue that it was a federal constitutional right.
Right.
No, they were very careful to say that they wanted to overturn Proposition 8 in California, but not to create a national standard that would impose that on Louisiana or Mississippi or Utah. And that's the position the president took in May when he changed his view on this. He said that the states should be able to legislate on this.
What's fascinating? It was so interesting that so many companies. Well,
this is fascinating because there are two cases. One is the Prop 8 case based on the California proposition. The other is overturning the Defense of Marriage Act that was passed in the 1990s. And they're kind of going to be heard and maybe decided jointly by the Supreme Court. In the DOMA case, you have, I don't know how many, dozens, maybe scores, I don't know if we're up to hundreds yet, of major corporations that have filed a friend of the court brief saying that they want this overturned because they have employees and they have to have two sets of standards for those who have domestic partnerships and those who are legally married. And they say this is just kind of crazy. And there are other people who are joining either one of the cases. Most interesting, there's a friend of the brief court, I think in the Prop 8 case, that was signed by Clint Eastwood, the man who made an empty chair famous, in favor of gay marriage. So here's the guy who came out and did what he did, his whole little song and dance about Obama, without Obama being there, and now he's fully on the side of those liberal, secular humanists that the right wing just hates.
And of course, all of this reflects changing public opinion on the issue, and that people are feeling more and more comfortable, certainly with civil unions and even with gay marriage. And the speed in which this has taken place has just really been remarkable.